Hello students, today we discuss the shoot system of the chapter 3 plant life. This chapter related to your biology book. So now we discuss about shoot system. What do you understand by shoot system? Shoot system consists of stem, branches, buds, leaves, flowers and fruit. It is the main part of plant that usually grow above the ground. So you already see in the picture at the top of the stem bud is present. Another part is a flower. Next one is a fruit and leaves. They all are bearing on shoot system. Now we discuss about the part of stem. There are 5 parts of stems: apical buds, auxiliary buds, internode, axial node. Now first we discuss about apical bud. What do you understand by apical bud? Buds that grow at apex of the stem or its branches are called apical buds. It is also known as terminal buds. Second part is a auxiliary bud. Auxiliary buds buds also grow at the junction of leaf and stem. Such buds are called auxiliary buds. Now next part is the axil. The angle between a leaf and stem is called axil. Buds are two kinds, vegetative and floral. Now another part is a node. Node is a joint from which leaves and branches arises. Now last one is a internode. The portion of the stem between two nodes are called internode. Now we discuss types of stem. There are 3 types of stem: soft stem, hard and woody stem, and trunk. All plants do not have same kind of stem. Trees have thick, hard, strong stem called trunk. Trees have hard stem called trunk. Now we discuss about soft stem. These stems are green in color. Generally herbs have soft stem. Now herbs have soft and green stem, and climbers have weak stems that cannot stand upright. Now second one is a hard and woody stem. This type of stem arises from the base of a plant and from a bud. Most of the shrubs have this type of stem. Most of the shrubs have hard woody stem that are neither as thick nor as strong as the trunk of tree. Now we discuss about trunk. The stem of tree is called trunk. It is a thick, hard and strong stem. That is covered with bark. The bark protects the inner part of the trunk of tree. Now we discuss about function of stem. What do you understand by function of stem? Stem hold the plant upright, conduct water and dissolve mineral. It also transport food to all parts of the plant. It also transport food prepared by the leaves throughout the plant body. It conduct water and dissolve mineral absorbed by root to other part of the plant. Thank you class.